these images you're seeing here were all created using Canva. Now, in today's video, I want to show you how I was able to generate or to create these beautiful images just using this one tool, Canva, that you have been using all along. But here is another side of it that you can learn today and start generating images with Canva. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you two methods, two tools within Canva that can be used to generate images, and all this is for free. So stick around and let's get into it. Now, the first thing we need to do before you can create our images is to have the image prompts. So for that, we shall use ChatGPT to come up with the image prompts, and I have this request from ChatGPT: write for me 10 highly creative image prompts. So let's go and see what ChatGPT will come up with. And here are our generations. So ChatGPT has just come up with these amazing image prompts, and 10 of them that we are going to use to generate our images with Canva. Now, the next thing we need to do is to go to Canva, log into your Canva account, and for this case, I'm using my Canva free account to generate our images. We have an option here to generate image, but let me show you. This is from Dreamlab. You can go ahead and start with it, and this will be just one way, or the first way we can generate images. So here what we need to do is to paste our prompt. So I'll go ahead and take my first prompt and now paste our prompt here. So this is our prompt that we want to use to generate our image. Now, before you generate your image, you have to select your aspect ratio. Now, this depends on the size that you want. If you want the portrait one, you can select 9:16, but for video format or the landscape one, I prefer 16:9. So I'll go with this. And now you can go ahead and choose your style, and there are various styles that you can choose from. Now you can see here we have quite a number of them, but by default it is set to smart, so I'll just go with smart. But if you want any variation, we have quite a number of them here that you can choose from. And now once you are done, we can go ahead and create, and for our creation, as you can see, this will use 1 credit. So let's go ahead and generate. And this tool in Canva will go ahead and generate 4 images, and the other images have been blurred because they don't meet their policy. So it is okay, we shall generate other images. Now look at the first image that we have just generated. Here it is, and it is an amazing one. So because it involves fighting scenes, that's why the other images were blurred or could not be generated. So let's go ahead and download. To download it, all you need to do is to tap on this download button here, and you'll get your generation straight to your computer. So one thing you realize is that our images are of high quality and they do not have watermarks. With Dreamlab, you get 20 credits, and for each generation, 1 credit is used. So I'm remaining now with the 19. Let's go ahead and grab the second and wait for the generation. Now look at that. So you can go ahead and download both of them. Now let me go and generate the last one before I show you another tool in Canva that you can use to generate images. So let's go ahead and generate. Now look at that. This is so wonderful. Wow, great. So let's go ahead and download our creation. And now from here, let me go ahead and show you the second method you can use to generate images using Canva. Now for the second method, we shall use presentation feature in Canva, which is this. Go ahead and tap on it to open. We shall be adding our presentations here with images. Now to generate our images, we're going to use this Magic Media tool here. But in case you're not seeing this tool, in case you can't find it, all you need to do is to tap on apps. Now scroll down until you get to Magic Media. Tap on it to open. Under Magic Media, you can generate images, or you can generate graphics and videos. So for our case, we want to generate images and use them in our presentation. So I'll go ahead and paste my prompt here. Here is where you paste your prompt. And with this also you get credits. So you will get 50 free credits that you can redeem. And now let's just go ahead and redeem the first one. Now here again, you can choose the style that you wish, and there are a number of them, just more or less what we saw in Dreamlab. So for my case, let me choose filmic, and then the size you have also to choose here. That was square, but what I want is landscape. Go ahead and tap on generate image, and our images will be generated. And as you can see here, again, we have 4 images that are being generated. So let's wait and see. Our image has been generated. Look at that. Wow, they just look nice. Now, to use it on your presentation, once you have generated it, when you tap on it, go ahead and choose the option set image as background, and this will open it up. Now for the second, you can go ahead and choose the second image to apply to your second slide or second page. Again, go ahead and set as background. Now this will make you a very good presentation that you can download and use for your project. This is another prompt, so you just go ahead and clear the other one. Let's go ahead and generate again. And here we go. So let's go ahead and select the 5th slide and then add this as our presentation. And that's great. So once you're done, all you need to do is to go ahead and download. To download your image creation or your presentation, just tap or click on share. And then from here, we have the download option, which is this. Just go ahead and click on it, and then the download button will be active. Click on it to download your presentation. And this one has been downloaded in a PDF format. So look at that presentation. This is so great. Now, for instance, if you want to download your presentation in another format, you can select the format you want to download them here. In any of these, if you want even to download it in MP4, and this is because maybe you have attached music or you want to attach, you want to make it into a video format, you can as well do that. So there are quite a number of formats that you can download. So that's how you generate your images using Canva. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.